Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Gladys Anene, aka Adishago One Murumuru no Wanine. Welcome to my channel, guys. So in today's video I'll show you how I made this beautiful fringe. If this looks like what will interest you, watch the video to the end. So I had to go to my elder sister's place to do this in her goal because I don't have a sewing machine. So first of all, we are going to use a ponytail net. We're going to remove the rope, then lose the side and just make this measurement. Just watch the video. It's a very detailed video. I'm going to list all the materials I used in the description box. So I don't want to talk too much. For some persons will come to my comment section, I'll be like, you are talking too much. This. So please watch the video. Then if you have any question, please drop it at the comment section. I will be there to answer all your questions. To all my amazing subscribers, you guys are the boss. Thank you so much. And if you are here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and button to support your girl. Thank you, guys.
Kamzara's TV.
TV. No competition, quality production, Kamzara's TV. We don't come back again, yeah. Kamzara's TV. We make wigs, we celebrate, Kamzara's TV. Natural hairstyle, affordable prices you can get anywhere we go. Kamzara's TV. Kamzara's TV. Kamzara's TV.